DJI Neo 2 Charging Hub. The charging hub can charge batteries and supply power to external devices. Mount the battery to the charging hub, and then press the battery until you hear a click. Connect the charging hub to a power outlet using a USB-C charger. When using a charger with power greater than 45 watt, 3 batteries can be charged simultaneously. During charging, the status LED shows the current status. The batteries can be stored in the charging hub after charging. Remove the fully charged batteries from the charging hub and install the battery to the aircraft. With batteries inserted, the hub can be used as a power bank to supply power to the external device such as phones and remote controller. Connect the external device to the USB-C port of the charging hub. Press the function button, and the status LED will turn solid green, indicating that the hub has started charging. To stop charging the external device, disconnect the external device from the charging hub.